Okay, so start up R, and let's practice by creating creating a new workspace in a different directory. So create a new directory in call it week 3. So just create a folder and call it week 3, and then use that as your workspace. So try to remember how to do that, and pause the video and see if you can do it. So for example, suppose this is my directory, and I want to use this as the working directory. So will this work? So why won't this work? Okay, now it should work. Why? I changed the slashes to forward slashes. So then you can try. How do you check your working directory? Okay, now suppose you want to clear your working directory. Maybe you have a bunch of objects that you, not clear your working directory, but clear the workspace that you, because when you opened up R, you might have opened it up from somewhere that you don't want to use the workspace that's generated by that. So how do you clear the workspace? So, well, first you want, let's review. First you want to know what are the objects in your workspace. So pause the video and see if you can do that. So you use this command. And then if you want to remove objects, how do you do that? So these are the objects that exist in your workspace. If you want to remove them, pause the video and try to remove just one of them. So remember that you need the quotes in there as well. You might have realized that. And you can use this. So now if I type ls again, age is gone. Okay, but maybe you don't want to remove them one at a time. So there's a command that you can use that we didn't go over, so we don't understand the details of it. But if you want to do something like this, you can always try to look it up on the internet and see what you can find. So you can do that, and you'll find that one command you can use is this command. So basically what you're doing here is you're getting all the objects that we got here, you're putting them into a variable, and just like we removed age, we're going to remove the entire list that way. But again, we didn't go through this in detail, so that's okay. But you can try this command and then try ls again, and you see that it's empty now. Or at least it says character 0. Basically it means that it's empty. Okay, now suppose you want to find what packages are installed. We had one way to do it we talked about, but you can try this method. So by the way, just if you want to do something like this, you can do a search for it like this, and then you'll find maybe this answer, and you can try this command. So I'm not gonna, you can search for it, or you can copy it, or you can type it in. So if you search for it, you can copy it, or you can type it in. So when you do that, you'll see the list of all the packages that you have installed. Now remember, there's a difference between installed and loaded. So you can use the command library to load any particular package in here, since it's already installed on your computer. However, as I search through mine, I see that I don't have a package called ISWR. ISWR, this package. And I want to use that in this session. So let's review how to get this package installed and loaded. So since mine is not there, I have to go to, one way to do this is here, install packages. Now if you haven't set one of a location for downloading, you'll see something to choose where to install it from, and you can choose, for example, anywhere in Japan. For example, it might be fast. And then after that, you'll see the list of packages that are available. And in there you should see ISWR. So find that and install it by selecting it and clicking OK. Okay, and after that you can try to load it with the following command. And in this case you don't need the quotation marks. Okay, so now we're going to start using commands that are available in this package. So I'll stop this video and begin again in the next one.